If I ask you what a nonlinear equation is, could you answer? Today, we're exploring linear and nonlinear equations in two variables. But before we go any further, let's test your math instinct. I'm putting 5 equations on the screen. Your job is simple. Tell me, is it linear or nonlinear? Round 1. 2x plus 5y equals 14. Linear or nonlinear? Pause. This one is linear. Each variable has power 1. No multiplication between variables. Round 2. xy equals 14. Looks simple. Linear or nonlinear? Pause. Nonlinear. The moment variables multiply each other, it's no longer linear. Round 3. x squared plus y equals 9. Careful. Linear or nonlinear? Pause. Nonlinear. That small square changes everything. Round 4. X divided by 2 plus y equals 7. Linear or nonlinear? Pause. Still linear. Dividing by a number is fine. Just don't divide by a variable. Round 5. X divided by y plus y equals 3. This one separates thinkers from guessers. Pause. Nonlinear. A variable in the denominator breaks linearity. If you got 3 out of 5 or more, your math instinct is sharp. Now let's go deeper. Solving a nonlinear equation in 2 variables. Here is our example. X minus y equals 8. xy equals 105. Let's call the first one equation 1. The second one, equation 2. We'll use the substitution method. From equation 1, x minus y equals 8. Add y to both sides. So we get x equals 8 plus y. Call this equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Instead of x, we write 8 plus y. So we get, open bracket, 8 plus y, close bracket, times y equals 105. Now multiply. 8 times y equals 8y. Y times y equals y squared. So we have y squared plus 8, y equals 105. Move 105 to the left side. Y squared plus 8y minus 105 equals 0. Now we need 2 numbers that multiply to give negative 105 and add to give 8. Those numbers are 15 and negative 7. So we rewrite the equation. Y squared plus 15y minus 7y minus 105 equals 0. Group the like terms. Open bracket y squared plus 15y close bracket minus open bracket 7y plus 105 close bracket. Take out the common bracket. Y plus 15 close bracket y minus 7 close bracket equals 0. So y equals negative 15 or y equals 7. Now go back to equation 3. X equals 8 plus y. Substitute y equals 7 into equation 3. X equals 8 plus 7. X equals 15. Substitute y equals negative 15 into equation 3. X equals 8 minus 15. X equals negative 7. So our answers are x equals 15, y equals 7, or x equals negative 7, y equals negative 15. Now let's quickly check our answer using equation 1. X minus y equals 8. First answer, x equals 15, y equals 7. Substitute into equation 1. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Correct. Second answer, x equals minus 7, y equals minus 15. Substitute into equation 1. Negative 7 minus negative 15. Remember negative times, negative becomes positive. So this becomes minus 7 plus 15 equals 8. Both answers satisfy equation 1. And if we put these values into equation 2, they also give us 105. That means our solutions are correct. Now let's solve a linear equations in 2 variables. Here is the example. X plus y equals 10, x minus y equals 4. Call them equation 1 and equation 2. We'll use the elimination method. Look closely. In equation 1, y is positive. In equation 2, y is negative. If we add the 2 equations together, positive y and negative y will cancel out. Add them. Y minus y equals 0, x plus x equals 2x. So we get 2x equals 14. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 7. Now find y. Substitute x equals 7 into equation 2. 7 minus y equals 4. Subtract 7 from both sides. Negative y equals negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 1. Y equals 3. So the solution is x equals 7 and y equals 3. And that's how you solve a linear system using elimination. Now it's your turn. Try this. X plus y equals 12. X minus y equals 2. Find x and y. Pause the video. Solve it. Then drop your answer in the comments. If this helped you think differently, subscribe so we can grow sharper together. Like the video so more people can test their math instinct. And share it with someone who loves a challenge. I'll see you in the next one.